Today we are making some protein chocolate peanut butter sweet balls, and they are healthy and it's vegan. So today we have a smooth, creamy, gluten-free peanut butter by Laura Scudder, whatever you want to call her name. Obviously, it's the creamy oil separation one. It only contains the peanut butter in it. I mean the peanuts. But yeah, we're also going to use purely inspired organic protein chocolate powder. And we're also going to use a cup and a half of oats. I'm gonna add that in there. And to be honest, we might end up using some agave. We might. So, let's get this started. So, we have our oats. We're going to add 2 scoops of our chocolate protein powder. Okay. Now we're going to add some of our peanut butter. Let's do that. This is a quick video, just letting y'all know. And we're not cooking these. So we're going to just mix and then roll into a ball, and then we'll put it on our little dish, and then I'll cover it up and put it in the refrigerator, and then leave it in there for about an hour, 2 hours, and then you have your little balls. You can put them in the freezer too to get them like harder too. So we want to make sure we have enough peanut butter in here to mix all around so that the peanut butter is distributed throughout the oats and the protein powder. But you don't want to have it too much where it's really soupy. So we're going to do a tablespoon first. And this is the only sweetness I'm going to add in here. We're going to add a tablespoon of our agave. And that's it. I'm not adding any more. But we might end up having to add more peanut butter because, yeah. And now we're going to mix. Keep mixing. We're definitely gonna have to need a lot more peanut butter. As I said, we're playing it by eye. So another tablespoon. And another tablespoon. Make sure you try to get all the peanut butter off the spoon. I would add dates to this, but no, I don't want to. These dates be really It tastes like Reese's Puffs. So I think we got our name for them. We're going to call these our healthy Reese's Puff Energy Balls. So that was what? 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. We're gonna add in so 1.5 more. So that's 3.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. And try to get all of these oats in. Wish I had some. I wish I had some chia seeds or something. I would add them in here, but it's okay. We got a crunch to it anyways. So I would add walnuts, but we have walnuts inside of my salad. And I had it inside my oatmeal already. So you can see it's getting a little bit chunkier. See, it's now we're going to take and roll it. We're gonna do that for the rest of them. And you know what? I might just end up putting these in the freezer. We'll see. But the refrigerator will make them. Probably 20 balls. 15 to 20 balls we're gonna have. That's a lot of balls. A lot of balls. So yeah, mascarpones. Yes, I'm on a weight loss journey, and actually I did lose weight over the course of 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I lost 9 pounds. Not in a bad way though. I've been eating healthy. I'm on a calorie deficit. It's actually quite good. I work out twice a day. Now back in my day. I'm just playing. But when I was in college, I used to work out all the time with my sister. And you know, I had a six pack. You know what I mean? I had a six pack. So, and I just had a six pack a few months ago. But you know, shit happens, stress happens, life happens, and I gained a few pounds. And my six pack was like, wah, wah, wah. So, I am getting right back into my gist of working out every single day. Self-care in my mind and inside my body. And I hope you guys do too. Take care of yourself. Seriously. Drink lots of water. Try to put down the red meats. If you can, it lowers your blood pressure, makes your sodium high. And blood sugar might spike too with red meats. But lean meats, chicken, fish, go ahead. Actually, we might not have 20. Because I'm trying to get all the stuff packed into these. It's hot. But take care of yourself. It's the pandemic. You have time. Regardless if you want to work, you still have time for yourself. Your mental and your physical. And your inside. Every day. You have time. Drinking water clears your skin. My skin is much clearer than what it was before. I stopped eating certain things. I found out that I'm allergic to a few things that I was consuming. So if I want my inside and my face to look better, I have to do better. You do too. Oh, and women, happy Women's Day, guys. Happy Women's Day. Not saying that I'm feminist, but yeah, happy Women's Day. You know, they should do a men's day too, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna probably get bashed by somebody. So what? They should do a men's day. I'm just like that. I'm all around love. Somebody is better than another? No, that's not how this thing goes. It's like yin and yang. Both men and women need each other, so you eat these as a snack, take them to work, eat them in the morning, on your way to work or before a workout. You can eat it after a workout. You can feed them to your kids. They're kid friendly. like drinking Ensure. That's a protein drink. Nutrients. Pediasure. You know, you can definitely give these to your kids. Be creative with it. Put some raisins in there. You can even put some seeds. I prefer flaxseed, chia seed, or sesame seeds. But be easy on the sesame seeds. Those things are really, really digestion targeted. Meaning they really, really will make you poop. So if you're gonna put sesame seeds inside of them, only eat 2 or 3, but no more than that. Boy, yeah. Okay, we're on our 3rd row. So that'll make it 13 balls. I'm gonna cover it up and we're going to put it in the freezer or fridge for an hour, 2 hours, or you can leave it in the fridge for the whole rest of the night, and then you got them ready for the morning. There we go. All right, guys. Remember, namaste. You are beautiful. And stay blessed. Be grateful. Be thankful. You are here today. So, drink a lot of water. Think about your insides and your outside and what you want to change about that, and make better changes on eating healthier and get in some exercise, even if it's snowing. In certain places, do it in your room, your basement, somewhere. Just go walking. Easy.